going on, guys? Today's video will be a little bit different. I have two packages here which I'm going to unbox. I think I know what each package is, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's just start with the small box. Alright, so it looks like I was right. Here we have a pair of Jordan 1s, and we have, just what I thought, we have a pair of the Court Purple Air Jordan 1s. Some of you would already know that I've already got a pair of these, and I did a review of them a couple days ago. So you should go check that out if you haven't already. But if you haven't, I'll give you a closer look at these in 1 second. Yeah, very nice. On to the next box. Also, this is me after editing the video actually. I also picked up this Coors NGV book, which I thought I'll just show you guys. I thought it was pretty cool. Alright. So, this next package came from America, and I think it took about 2 months to ship, which is quite crazy. Let's open it up. I think it's what I thought it was. I think you guys will know what it was from this sticker. Damn. And pulling it out, we have a bunch of wrapping paper, and we have the Travis Scott skate deck. Damn. So this is the Travis Scott skate deck, which released around 2 months ago on Travis Scott's website, and I managed to get one skate deck. And he released it alongside the Nike SB Dunks he did, which has the same pattern as seen on here. And it looks like it also came with 3 stickers, which is pretty cool. A sticker that says no loitering, a Cactus Jack sticker, and a little skateboarding dude. Pretty cool. There's something cool about this skate deck is it's meant to wear off the more you ride it, and it'll wear off into something like this. So this pattern scratches off, and underneath is this pattern right here. Pretty cool. I'll definitely like to try that out. I don't know if I prefer this pattern though, or the pattern which is underneath. So yeah, anyway, to wrap it up, we got the Travis Scott skate deck and here they are, the Jordan 1 Court Purples. So yeah, thank you for watching this quick video. I just thought I'd film it because I got 2 new packages. And let me know if you would like to see another review of this skate deck more in depth, but I don't think there was much to say about it. Yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Peace.